Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 3 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy. In Grammar 3.18.1, we've already looked at 只要就 to express a condition. 只要你爱我就好, as long as you love me. And now it's a good time to take a look at these conditional sentences and see what the difference is between them. The first one is, if you finish your homework, you can watch TV. 如果你做完作业的话，就可以看电视。The second one is the one we just looked at. As long as you finish your homework, as long as this condition is met, you can watch TV. 只要你做完作业，就可以看电视。Now, how do you express only if? Unless this condition is met, you cannot watch TV. Well, what's the difference between these? One thing is that the mood is different, right? The first one is pretty neutral. In the second one, we're trying to say that, well, this is not too much to ask, right? As long as you finish your homework, you can watch TV. The third one is saying, don't you try to watch TV without doing your homework. Only if you finish your homework, you can watch TV, right? So the mood is a little bit different. So how do you say the third one? How do you say only if? How do you express unless you do this, you won't be able to do that? Only if you finish your homework, you can watch TV. Only if is expressed with 只有才, like this. 只有写完作业才能看电视. Only if you finish your homework, you can watch TV. Let's take a look. 你在做什么？
我在看电视啊。
你作业写完了吗？
还没。
只有写完作业才能看电视。关了。
好吧。
我刚才说什么？只有写完作业才能看电视。More examples. 只有妈妈做的饭她才爱吃。She only likes mom's cooking. 看来只有爱才能让人有变化。Only love can make people change. 看来只有爱才能让人有变化。Another example. 只有真正做事情的时候才能了解有多难。Only when you're actually doing the thing, you can understand how difficult it is. 只有真正做事情的时候才 only then 能了解有多难。Another example. 只有爸爸妈妈能分出来。Only the parents can tell the difference between the twins. 只有爸爸妈妈才能分出来。A more elaborate and expanded sentence. 只有你们的爸爸妈妈才能分出来哪个是哥哥，哪个是弟弟吧。So there you have it. Only if can be expressed with 只有才。If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 3 video course, which includes 187 videos that will teach you grammar and vocabulary, help you complete pair activities, and test your writing with dictation exercises. This course also comes with quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 3 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.